Today, you are going to die. Tell me what I need to know.
Dad, it's me.
Hola, hijo. ¿Cómo estás?
Solo quería escuchar tu voz.
Ya hemos hablado de esto muchas veces. ¿Sabes lo que tienes que hacer? Adiós, hijo.
Adiós, papá.
I put you in that chair. Oh yeah, your heart meds. I switched them for sugar pills. You were dead and buried, and I had to watch this asshole bring you back. So when you are sitting in your shitty nursing home night after night for the rest of your life, you think of me.
Es suyo.
Do it.